Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case for the Google Pixel 7a. So this case on Amazon goes for $15.99, and as always, I will have everything linked in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. Moving the phone out of the way, taking a look at the packaging, we can see made for Google Pixel, Spigen, and then we can also get a nice little look at what the case looks like. But other than that, we don't really have much else on here, which is good to know. Very nice and simple packaging, which is always something I like. So inside, we are greeted with a nice little plastic pouch where the case resides, and if we do take it out, you can see that the case is being covered by stickers, so it is dust free when you are first applying it, which is good to know. So let's go ahead and actually wipe down our phone right here and then get this applied. So starting with the inside sticker. So a very nice peel, and then placing the phone inside, starting from the bottom, and voila. So here is our phone placed inside of the case. And if we do take out the back portion now, we get this nice, beautiful, clear case, which is always something we like to see. So I've been using Spigen's Ultra Hybrid series for a while now, and they usually last longer than other clear cases, so they don't turn out to be yellow or brownish. They don't get that tint for a long while compared to some other cases that I've used clear cases from. And so Spigen's always been my #1 choice for clear cases. And recently, Casetify, I've been using their cases as well, and they've been making pretty good clear cases as well, and they've lasted a long time as well. So overall, I do trust Spigen with their Ultra Hybrid series and their clear cases for basically staying clean for a little while compared to the other case brands. So taking a look at the back, we can see that it does have a clear back, so we can obviously see the color of our phone, and then we can also see the nice lip that they've actually made for the camera lenses, so they are being protected, which is good to know. And then if we do take a look at the sides of the camera lenses, we can see that the sides are covered up as well, unlike some cases that Google actually makes. So Google's own case doesn't actually cover these side rails, which means that they will get scratched up. You are not losing out from any of the camera lenses, and so I don't know why Google does that, but I guess it's just for the looks. In my opinion, I usually take protection over looks, but that might vary from people to people. So taking a look at the front display, we can see that we have a nice large lip that does go all around the display. So basically, if you do drop it on its face, in most scenarios, it should be perfectly fine. And again, we also do get a cutout right here up top for our speaker grill, so our speaker grill isn't being covered, and we are not losing out on any sound quality from the top of our speaker. If we do take a look at the bottom, we can see that our speaker grill at the bottom has a cutout as well, so no loss on sound quality. And we also do have a cutout for a USB-C charging port. And up top, we do get some branding, so air cushion technology, and basically if you can see those air pockets right there, Spigen leaves little air spaces inside of this case on every single one of their cases on every single corner, and basically it traps air inside of there, so if you do drop it on any of its edges, it's going to be absorbing the shock before the phone actually does absorb it, which is good to know, so you do get that extra protection. And on the left side, we also do get some branding. It says Spigen, but they are very minimal, so you can't really notice them, which is always good to know. Taking a look at the left side again, we can see that there isn't anything on here, and then on the right side we do have our button placement, which is really nice. We get a nice textured power button, so if it is in your pocket and someone's calling you and you kind of want to actually put it on mute, or you want to decline it, you can feel where the power button is, which will make everything so much easier compared to if you just had to take your phone out to look where the power button was. This just makes the process a whole lot easier. And then on the bottom, we do have our volume rocker, so we have our minus and our plus, and actually let's go ahead and test that out. So starting off with the volume rocker in 3, 2, 1. We can see that it's very clicky and very functional, so I'm not applying any extra force compared to if there was no case on here. And looking at the power button, again, very nice and functional. So no issues with the power button or any of the buttons in that matter. On the right side, we also do get we get 2 little holes. This is for any lanyards or strings that you want to attach onto this case. If you do want to carry it with a lanyard, I prefer not to use it with a lanyard. I haven't seen anyone use it with a lanyard in, I guess, the past couple of years. In the past 6 years, I've seen one a really long time ago, but usually I guess it's not preferred with your phone, and so I don't really see the reason for this anymore, but I guess there might be some people that actually use it. But other than that, this case is a really nice and decent clear case, especially for the money. You do get it for $15.99. You get high quality materials and you get the protection you need. So overall, a really nice and decent case. Again, I will have the links in the description of this video, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see y'all in the next one.